it's your girl Enabelle.com, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys to a first impression slash wear test of a brand new foundation that I just got. So I just purchased the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and I'm so excited to try this one out. This has been a very raved about foundation. There's a lot of good reviews on it, and because I like a foundation that's long wearing but also has like a very skin like finish, I feel like this is gonna be a good one for me. So I'm super excited to try this out and let you guys know how I feel about it. Not only that, I'm gonna be testing it for approximately 6 to 7 hours. I'm gonna be going to get my nails done and just do a couple things, and then once I think I'm gonna come back around 11 p.m. and let you guys know how it's worn for the past 6 hours. So if you guys want to know how this foundation works and a review on it, please keep on watching. So I'm just gonna jump right into the video because you know I got things to do. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out of the packaging first, and I got the shade medium 4 Barcelona. And this is what the foundation looks like. As always, Nars packaging is exceptional. It's very sleek, very beautiful, very she, which I like. And this foundation retails for $49, so it's definitely on the more pricier side of foundations. But you know, quality is the type of things you get with Nars. Like, their makeup is of quality, so you're paying a lot of money, but their stuff is banging. So you know what, I don't mind paying. Like, foundation is the only product that I don't mind splurging on. But because I had so many points at Ulta, I only bought this for $25. So shop at Ulta, you know, rack up them points, and you're gonna be able to get makeup very cheap. Okay, so first I'm gonna do is prime my face. I already moisturized my face and I already have my eyebrows on, so I'm just gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm just gonna spray this. I've been using a lot of moisturizers that are very hydrating for my skin, because my skin has been hella dry because it's winter time. So I don't really want to be using primers that are like super drying and mattifying unless it's in my T-zone. But today I'm just gonna wear this primer, and I'm just gonna see how the foundation pretty much works on its own. So, and I'm gonna be excuse me, I'm going to be taking a couple pumps of this on the back of my hand per usual. Oh, and I'm going to shake this foundation actually, because one of the things that the packaging says is to shake well. So I'm just going to give this a shake. I'm just going to pump a couple pumps on the back of my hand. I'm going to start off with 3 pumps and then build the coverage if I need to. And I'm just going to dot this all over my face. And then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to apply this. And I am just pushing this into my skin and spreading the product around with my beauty blender. Okay, not bad. I'm digging it. It's pretty full coverage. Like, that was just 2 pumps. No, that was 3 pumps. And I'm getting like a lot of coverage out of this foundation. And my skin looks extremely like luminous. Let's see. Okay. Wow, like, this foundation looks so beautiful. Like, I think I'm gonna take one more pump. I'm just gonna take one more and then just fill in the areas where I feel like I need more coverage, which is my chin. I'm just bringing this down to my neck, and then just a little more coverage on my cheek area. This is what I usually do. It's like super full coverage. Like, this is really nice. Like, this is such a beautiful finish. Okay, so off rip, like just covering my face with this foundation, like this finish is so beautiful. Like it's so full coverage, like it literally covered pretty much everything on my face, but it's also like so luminous. Like my skin feels like skin, and it doesn't even feel heavy on my face. Like I'm touching my skin right now, and like it doesn't even feel like super heavy, you know. I really like this. I love how like the radiant part of this foundation is so true, because I'm literally glowing. Literally, like I'm literally glowing. Like it looks so beautiful. Like I have never tried a foundation that is this full coverage, but at the same time so like so radiant, and but in like a non-oily way. Like I don't look oily. Like sometimes when you buy dewy foundations or foundations that claim to be radiant, you tend to look oily in certain spots, but I don't. Like I'm just literally glowing right now, and I'm loving it. So I really love this foundation. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. So I just finally finished just doing a very simple like everyday makeup look. It is now 5:32. Let me show you guys so that you guys don't think I'm lying. It is about, yeah, it's 5:32. So I'm gonna go and get my nails done and run my little errands, and then I'm gonna come back later on tonight, and I'm gonna tell you guys how this foundation performs and if it actually is long wearing. Just trying to see what this claims. Trying to see, let's see. I believe this foundation says it says it's a natural radiant long wear foundation. It doesn't say, yes, it says 16 hour wear. So I decided to give you guys a full description of what Nars claims this foundation does, being that I did not mention in the video. So Nars claims this foundation to have a radiant finish. It's transfer resistant, sweat resistant, fade resistant, and non-drying. It also says high coverage, is now super natural. Its breathable, fade resistant formula is infused with raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts to help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly and over time for full powered radiance. It wears longer, stays stronger, and looks better with each hour. Okay, now back to the video. It says that this has a 16-hour wear. I'm not going to test it for 16 hours because that means I'd have to be up. I'd have to go to sleep with my foundation on and wake up tomorrow morning and be like, hey, this performed this way. But I'm going to give it, you know, a good 6-7 hour test to see if this is actually a long wearing foundation, because usually long wearing foundations are very mattifying, like extremely mattifying, and this is not like that. This is a very skin like, very dewy, very radiant finish, and it's pretty much unlikely for those type of foundations to last for so long because they're just made different. But this one claims 16 hours. So I'm just gonna go do what I have to do, go get my nails done and so on and so forth, and then I'll be back later with my final review on this foundation and how it's performed throughout the day for me. See you guys later. I'm back, guys, after wearing this foundation for approximately 6 hours. It is now 12:05, so basically midnight, and so you guys can see that I'm not lying. My review of this foundation, honestly, is that it is bomb. This foundation is bomb. Like, I love how it performs. Like, I don't have barely any creasing on my face. I don't have any buildup of oil. I'm probably a little bit shiny right here in my forehead, but nothing that looks like insane or like too shiny. What else? It did not separate in areas of my face, like around my nose, or around my forehead where I have a little bit of the oil buildup. Like, this foundation performed really well. Like, I am obsessed with this. It's really hard to find foundations that make your skin look so radiant and glowy and at the same time are very long lasting. Usually you have to sacrifice one or the other. Like, you don't find a foundation that does both things. And for Nars to do this, like, oh my god, like, what have they been cooking up in that lab? Because this is popping. Like, this is A1. Like, I honestly feel like I've found my favorite foundation of all time. I know that's a very big statement, but I think I found it. I think this is it, and I'm gonna rate this foundation like literally like a 9.5. And I'm about to bring you guys closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So I just brought you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see like how nice this foundation still looks on my skin. Like, look at this. Look at this. Like, look how nice this still looks hours later. Like, granted, it's winter, and you know makeup looks even better in the winter because you're not sweating and all that, but still, like, no. Like, look at how nice this looks. Like, I don't really have much separation, any separation on my face at all. I got a little bit of creasing in my smile lines, but it's nothing out of the norm. I usually get so much more creasing in foundation with a lot of foundations. Like, my foundation literally piles up in my smile lines. And let's remember that I didn't do anything to prevent the creasing. Like, I didn't put setting powder in that area. I usually prep that area of my face to minimize the creasing, and then I did not do that this time. So because I really wanted to see how this foundation performed, and I kind of didn't want to help it. Like, I wanted to just leave it on its own. And look, without setting that area of my face, without prepping it, I barely got any creasing. So like, this foundation is A1, and I definitely recommend you guys go out and purchase this for yourselves. I know this is a little bit pricey, like $50. Well, it's $49. It retails for $49 plus tax, which comes out to like $50, maybe like $55. Don't be judging my math. I'm just taking a educated guess. And I know that's a little bit pricey, but it's good to pay for quality, you know. When it comes to foundation, I think that's the one product that you should invest your money in, because you want something that performs well and makes your skin look nice overall, because this is the base of your makeup routine. So foundations are definitely something that you should invest your money into. So I definitely recommend you guys go out and purchase this product. I love this foundation. Like, I love it so much, and I'm probably going to purchase it in my summer shade as well, because I definitely get 1 or 2 shades darker in the summer. I love this. I'm in love, okay? And for a person who has dry skin like myself, like, I don't need a foundation that enhances my dryness, okay? I need a foundation that makes my skin look like skin, makes my skin look bright, makes my skin look radiant. So this is great. And let's not confuse radiant with dewy, because I'm not a fan of like super dewy foundations, but this is like a perfect in between of what I like. It's like a mattified dewiness. Bitch, what? I don't know if that's the right word to describe it, but that's what it's like a non-excessively oily looking dewiness, like a normal dew, you know, like a very normal amount of dew, but that also lasts all day long. So I am obsessed. Oh my god, Nars, like, you just always be killing shit. Like, Nars literally always bodies like releases. Their eyeshadow, but their complexion products, like their concealers, their foundations are always great. Their bronzers great, their blushes are great. So yeah, Nars, shout out to Yaya, killed it with this. This is awesome. And that is my review of this foundation. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video. Don't be afraid to leave me any comments down below if you guys have any other questions about this foundation. And last but not least, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because that's the only way you'll get to know when I upload new videos. So why not subscribe? Like, hit that subscribe button. What you waiting for? Nah, but that's like, what you waiting for? Like, just do it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.